Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make smothered chicken with Maque Choux Casserole. Okay, so now we have our pot of veggies, our sausage, all working together here. We've scraped up some of the brown bits, and now here's what we're going to do next. We want to add our diced tomato. You can do fresh if you'd like. I just love these in the can, and it comes with the liquid too, so that's really good. Just go ahead and pour that whole thing in there. This is about a 28-ounce can. Then we just want a couple of tablespoons of the tomato sauce. Add that to it. It's going to add a little richness of flavor to it. Stir this together. So you know, more of the little bits are coming up from the bottom. That's really nice. You want a clean pot by the time you do this, because that means all that flavor from the bacon is going to be up into this Maque Choux. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add our shrimp to it. So I would say about a half pound to 3/4 pound or so of this is already cooked shrimp. You can use raw shrimp if you'd like.